I've found a new way to get trees from Houdini over to GE very fast without saving any geometry to disk and loading it in GE and so on. So instead of saving geometry, I'm saving coordinates and some other data. So I got this area in Houdini ready for me. And I've drawn a mask where I'd like to have some trees. And within this mask, I'm scattering some points. So let's say 15 points. Now you can instantly see that I'm getting these points on the map, but I'm also getting a lot of data here. So this is translate XYZ. I have, let's see, orientation, so rotation in other words, and I have scale. All of these data can be exported out to a text file and brought into a script. So to visualize what's going on here, I have some mock-up trees. They're completely off scale, but they give me a general idea what's going on. So here I can adjust randomize scale. I can adjust random up vector, and I can adjust random yaw. So in the text file, it's currently empty because I'm not running the script, but let's click here to run the script. And you can see that it's filled with this data instantly. And if I do any changes here, you see that the text file is adjusted in real time as well. So let's try that. Let's copy these coordinates, paste it into the script, and in GE, I have this transform group set up with object distributor from Weasel. So you have a source transform group, which is all the items you want to be copied or distributed. And then you have the target group, which will hold all the coordinates I want for the trees. So let's select this target group, then run the script to create transform groups based on the coordinates I pasted into the script. So now we can see that I have these transform groups, and they inherit not only translation, like location in the world, but also rotation and scale. Exactly what I wanted from Houdini. So I'll distribute the objects. And by the way, untick snap to terrain because they are already snapped to the terrain in Houdini, and use target rotation and use target scale. Lo and behold, we get some trees, and you can see here some of them are a bit more wonky than the others, and that's because they have been randomized in Houdini. Let's try something larger than this. So let's get over to Houdini and disable the script so we are not bogging down the system, because writing out a good few thousand trees will take a little bit more time. So I have this mask and I'd like to distribute more trees. Let's see here. Let's make 4,500 trees, perhaps. That's going to be a bit. Very nice and interesting distribution. And let's open the VS Code here, enable the script. You can see that instantly I have 4,500 trees written out to me. And I'll copy paste that in here. Why doesn't that work? There we go. Now save the script. Select the target, run the script to create targets. And then I can zoom out a little bit so we'll see the magic happen here. And let's distribute some objects. Now that's beautiful. It's such an insanely fast workflow. It's mind-boggling.